Today morning, Facebook went down along with Instagram and along with Threads, although no one noticed the Threads crash. But it was noticed and resented by many users, both on Facebook and Instagram. And again, the social network where everyone went to find out what was going on was X. Facebook's downtime lasted about an hour, while Instagram took a little longer. But in both cases still, even though they are recovered in terms of access, the applications still present some inconsistencies at times. The alert in Facebook was because at the moment of logging into the mobile application, it told you the session expired and took you out of your account, so it asked you to log in again. And that caused the scare of many people who thought they had been hacked, but it was not so. It was simply due to an error in Facebook, but so far we don't know exactly what happened. The only official information that has been published by Facebook has been published by one of its spokespersons, curiously in his X account. Initially, Andy Stone posted that they were already aware of this problem that was happening and that they were working on fixing it. After about an hour, he posted that a technical problem caused the difficulty in accessing some of their services, although I insist that he did not make it very clear what that technical problem was, but they repaired it. And as expected, Elon Musk did not miss this opportunity and uploaded a meme on his X account, practically making fun of how Meta's services were down, and X was very strong and posted the capture of how Meta's spokesperson, Andy Stone, used Elon Musk's social network to make this announcement instead of using Threads. In fact, the funny thing is that Andy Stone doesn't even have a Threads account. I went in to look to see if there was more information, and the only information regarding Meta's official form drop is posted on X. Neither Meta's official Facebook accounts, nor Threads, nor Adam Mosseri, CEO of Instagram, nor Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of all of Meta, absolutely no one posted anything about this, only Andy Stone on X. And in looking all this up, we just found out that Mark Zuckerberg is walking around in India. It looks like he went to celebrate a wedding there, and by the way, he's testing Ray-Ban lenses through which he can take pictures. So I guess Mark Zuckerberg didn't even hear about this crash. He's probably sleeping at this hour. So let's wait and see if in a few hours when he wakes up he finds out about all this and gives us a little more information, or is left only with the information that Andy Stone published.